I'm a self-improvement junkie and I love taking online courses. And I've gotten this question a lot: are Udemy courses worth it? So I'm going to deep dive into if Udemy courses are worth it, and if so, what subjects are worth taking and what criteria you can use to determine if you'll get your money and your time's worth out of courses on udemy.com. Let's check it out. John Crestani here. I run an internet business. I'm an internet entrepreneur, and I've been running my own business online for many years now, have no employees, and I am a learning junkie. I love learning, and it's really the reason why I've been able to work for myself and become skilled in what I do, which is, ad analysis and, copywriting and blah, blah, blah. But the point being, Udemy's come on my radar because they have such a plethora of courses. They have, I believe, thousands of online courses on there. And I've gotten questions from people asking me, are Udemy courses worth it? And I've wondered that same thing. It's hard to pass judgments on so many courses because Udemy has thousands of courses. And I've been through very, very, very few courses on Udemy, just a couple. So keep in mind that my judgments and my opinions on Udemy are limited to a few courses. But what I can also give you is from my research, okay, how to pick the best courses to take online. And that'll kind of explain my reasoning about why my thoughts on Udemy are as such. So first off, I want to separate I want to make a really clear distinction between two major subjects here. There's kind of what I call like life subjects, and then there's business subjects. Life subjects are things such as cooking, or how to cook a good hamburger, or how to repair your house, or how to edit photos, etc. And a lot of these courses don't necessarily pertain to hard results. And then there's business, which pertains to learning how to make money. And there are a lot of courses on Udemy that are focused on business, and specifically sales and marketing courses on Udemy. There are quite a bit of. So that's kind of one of the reasons why I separated these two subjects, because they're very different in what their outcomes are. So first, let me address life subjects. I don't take any courses on dancing or cooking or any of these life subjects, so I don't have much to rate them on. But what I can tell you is Udemy has so many courses. It seems to be really good for a lot of subjects that are just kind of life subjects. I know they show you how to do pet care, how to do health, how to do fitness, how to edit photos, and a lot of these specific subjects around life or different kind of soft skills, I think are very helpful. I haven't personally been through the courses, but from what I've seen, no other places offer courses, or do they offer courses as cheap as Udemy does. Udemy essentially discounts all of their courses and offers all of their courses for something around $10, okay? So if you are not buying a Udemy course for $10, just wait a day and they will discount the course to $10 or $11 or $12. It's really that easy. I see courses that are like $200 and then they'll be going for $10. So it's kind of crazy. The next subject is business subject. Many people nowadays, at least many of the people subscribing to my channel, are looking to work for themselves, are looking to work from home. So understanding if your goal is to make money and work from home, that's the results you want from a course, is you want to learn how to make more money. Now, unfortunately, from what I've seen on Udemy, it really doesn't do very well in these subjects such as making money and working for yourself, okay? The reason is I look at a few different criteria. The first thing I look at is, does this teacher that I'm learning from have what I want to have? Am I learning from somebody that is, in my case, I wanted to learn from people who are multi-millionaires. Am I learning from somebody who is a multi-millionaire, or are they an employee for a company? Just trying to show up on search results for something. More often than not, I found that the business instructors are not particularly successful. They're usually employees for some sort of corporation, or they are Udemy instructor. You know, they're paid to put up courses on Udemy and they don't actually have success making money doing that. If I wanted to learn how to be successful on Amazon, I want to learn from somebody who made their first million doing Amazon, not teaching Amazon, not somebody who worked for Amazon. I want to learn from somebody who actually made money by running an Amazon business themselves. And unfortunately, I don't see a lot of those people on Udemy. I think Udemy courses are worth it if you are taking a life kind of subject, or if you're learning photography or video editing or some of these other skills. But if you're trying to learn how to work for yourself, I don't think Udemy does very well in that subject. The other sad part about Udemy that I've noticed is, again, I mentioned the discounting beforehand. I am an instructor. I am an online teacher. That's one of the businesses I'm in. About half of my income comes from teaching others how to be affiliate marketers. I would never put my course on Udemy. And the problem is Udemy has created a horrible platform for supporting creators and teachers like myself, because first off, you have no control over who buys your course or what you can sell your course for. You don't actually even get direct access to your students. If you want to talk to your students, you need to message them through Udemy. So Udemy, in essence, is owning your student base, and they determine what they sell your knowledge and your programs for. That's not very friendly to teachers. And for teachers and business subjects, I want to be able to speak to my students. I want to be, learning how to make money online is a very serious and frustrating process. And to be able to work closely with my students is very important. So not having that control or access is a huge mark against Udemy, and I frankly don't see why so many people use this company in the first place. Now, if you learned something from this video, hopefully you took something away from this, or hopefully I helped you out in some way, leave a like, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and leave a comment for me. If you agree with me, let me know. If you've taken a Udemy course, let me know if you agree or you disagree in the comments below. Now, all of these are my own opinions, but I'd love to hear from other people who have taken courses from Udemy what your thoughts are in the comments. Agree with me or totally disagree with me, and let me know why. Talk to you soon.